Hi, Adam.
Hello, Mum. How are you?
Good, thank you. What are you up to?
I am currently making a video for students they've sort of done a vote on Twitter to get me to make this video because I've been trying to unpack a childhood trauma lately, and I mentioned it in class to one group, and then all the other students want to hear about it.
And you want my memory to go back all those years or something?
Well, you should remember a bit better than me. I think it's going to be one of my very earliest memories, so I thought that you'd be able to clarify some things about it. And
Well, we'll see.
okay. It's not the time that you left the house and Dad let me escape from the cot and I used the fruit peeler to cut up my hand and there was blood everywhere when you got home.
Yeah.
This is a field trip that we went on in kindergarten. I feel like it was probably just down to the Campaspe River that went through Kyneton, and you were there on the day.
Right, no, well, it wasn't Kyneton. We went on a bus trip to Castlemaine. Actually, it may have even been a little train trip. I'm not 100% sure now.
Okay.
But we went to Castlemaine to the lake there.
I remember that we were feeding the ducks, and I distinctly remember being on the edge of the lake, and I slipped. I actually didn't fall in. I remember slipping and thinking to myself, this is a really stupid idea, probably being so close to the water. But I kept feeding the ducks, or I kept standing there for longer after I almost fell in, and then I fell in completely.
You were sensible enough that when you did fall in, you threw your little arm up and I was able to grab it quickly and drag you out.
Well, that's where the trauma comes in for me, because it's not so much the falling into the water and remembering that. What really has stuck in my mind is the fact that, you know how everyone sort of has that cliched kind of fear of going to school with no pants on or discover that they've got no clothes. I literally have a memory of standing in front of a whole class naked because you stripped me completely naked while all my peers were filing past in a line. And I remember that moment where I was standing there. So I was wondering if you wanted to apologize for that because I still remember it.
Not really.
So what I've decided to do to work through this memory is to write a little song. Are you happy for me to let you listen to that?
Yeah, fine, Adam.
This story is about a kinder field trip. The woman I call Mum was there.
There was a boy, a very short and awkward boy. They say he wandered very far, very far, fell from land to sea. A little luck, and he was plucked, but very wet was he. And on that day, while all my peers walked past my way, Mom stripped me out of all my clothes, head to toes, and they stared at me. The greatest thing you ever learn is trust your mom. Or be drowned in return.
So what do you think, Mum?
Well, at least it wasn't you singing, Adam.